Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, where well-being meets simplicity. Our mission is to provide you with holistic, natural ways to enhance your health and lifestyle. We're all about embracing the power of Mother Nature, exploring everything from herbal remedies to do-it-yourself wellness tips. Whether you're seeking ways to boost your immune system, reduce stress, or simply live a healthier life, you'll find a wealth of knowledge here. Help others discover the beauty of natural remedies by hitting the like button and share this video to spread the knowledge. Today, immerse yourself in the calming world of herbal teas for stress relief. These aromatic infusions are more than just a delightful beverage, they're a soothing balm for the mind. Herbal teas, packed with potent plant compounds, offer a natural way to ease tension and foster relaxation. From the gentle caress of chamomile to the invigorating zest of lemon balm, each sip is a step towards tranquility. We'll be exploring a variety of recipes to help you create your own peaceful moments. Now prepare to journey into tranquility with these easy, step-by-step herbal tea recipes. First, we present the soothing chamomile lavender tea. This delightful infusion combines the calming properties of chamomile with the serene essence of lavender, creating a blend that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Creating this tranquil brew is simple. Begin by sourcing high-quality chamomile flowers and fragrant lavender buds. For 1 cup of tea, you'll need 1 tablespoon each of chamomile and lavender. To start, bring 2 cups of water to a simmering boil. Add your herbs and allow them to steep for about 10 minutes. The warmth allows the chamomile and lavender to release their therapeutic properties, creating a brew that's not just tasty, but healing too. After the steeping time, strain the mixture into your favorite mug. The resulting brew is a golden elixir, infused with the calming scent of lavender and the comforting aroma of chamomile. Now, all you have to do is take a moment to sit back, relax, and sip slowly. Savor the relaxing aroma and flavor of chamomile lavender tea, a true stress reliever. Next, refresh your senses with lemon balm mint tea. This delightful brew is a fusion of 2 powerful herbs, each known for their calming properties. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, has a gentle lemon scent that is soothing to the senses. Mint, on the other hand, is known for its invigorating aroma and refreshing flavor. To prepare this tea, start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need a handful of fresh lemon balm and mint leaves. If fresh leaves are not readily available, dried ones will do just fine. Use 2 tablespoons of each for every cup of water. Bring your water to a boil and add the lemon balm and mint. Allow them to steep for about 10 minutes, then strain the leaves. Your tea is now ready to serve. You can enjoy it hot or let it cool for a refreshing iced tea. The end result is a beautifully balanced blend of flavors, with the tangy lemon balm perfectly complementing the cool, refreshing mint. Enjoy the invigorating taste of lemon balm mint tea, a perfect blend for relaxation. Herbal teas, a fusion of taste and tranquility. As we've journeyed together through an exploration of chamomile lavender and lemon balm mint teas, we've discovered the incredible benefits these herbal infusions can bring into our lives. Their soothing properties do more than just tantalize our taste buds. They can also help alleviate stress and promote relaxation. The chamomile lavender blend, with its calming floral notes, works wonders for easing tension. Its natural compounds have been found to aid in reducing anxiety, leading to a more peaceful state of mind. Similarly, the lemon balm mint tea, with its refreshing, cool undertones, has been celebrated for its ability to soothe the nerves and encourage a sense of tranquility. Integrating these herbal teas into our daily routine is not just about delighting our senses, it's about creating a lifestyle that prioritizes peace of mind and stress management. Embrace the serenity offered by these herbal teas and make every sip a step towards a stress-free lifestyle.